Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Allu Studios at Gandhipet. Mega producer Allu Arvind has come up with a mega film studio in the outskirts of the Hyderabad West. Allu family identified a large land at Gandhipet and setting up film studio. On the occasion of Allu Ramalinga's 99th birth anniversary Thursday, Allu family announced the new studio. Allu sons Allu Arjun, Allu Bobby and Allu Shirish have participated in the puja ceremony at the new studio. Allu's announced that the new studio would cater to film and TV industries. New medical colleges in 3 years, promises CM Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. Stressing on providing all the modern medical facilities at the new medical colleges coming up in the state, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy said the hospitals should have a corporate look and asked officials not to compromise on the quality of the works. The construction of hospitals should be completed within 3 years. Jagan said if need be, the government will even install solar systems at the medical colleges. Officials explained to the Chief Minister that the land acquisition for the proposed medical colleges at Padiru, Vizag, Pidugurala, Guntur, Manchiripatnam, Krishna, and Pulivendula, Kadapa had been completed. Andhra Pradesh breaches 7 lakh mark. Andhra Pradesh reported 6,751 new COVID-19 cases, 7,297 recoveries, and 41 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the total positive cases to 7,235, including 6,36,508 recoveries, 57,858 active cases, and 5,869 deaths, says State Health Department. Telangana seeks Rs 500 crore from Centre for Hyderabad-Vijayawada highway works. The Telangana government sought Rs 500 crore from the Centre to resolve infrastructure-related problems on the Hyderabad-Vijayawada section of National Highway 65. In a letter to Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, Telangana IT and Industries Minister K.T. Ramarao stated that about 25 kilometers on the highway has several problems like inadequate planned capacity and absence of service roads for local traffic, and hence funds were needed. Will even fight almighty for Telangana farmers, says KCR. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has asserted that he would go to any extent to save the interest of the farmers and farming of the state, even if it meant picking up a fight with the god himself. Reiterating his stand to protect every single drop of river water that legitimately belongs to the state, he has directed officials to prepare a strong argument to present before the Apex Council meeting on river water disputes between Telugu states scheduled for October 6. Arogyasri way better than Centre scheme, says Telangana Health Minister Iyatala Rajender. Telangana's Arogyasri health scheme is 100 times better than the centre's Ayushman Bharat scheme, said Health Minister Iyatala Rajender during a review meeting, mentioning that previously arrears worth crores was pending to be paid to private hospitals on Arogyasri panel. Iyatala said that the government has managed to clear most and added that it will pay the remaining 199 crore soon. Uttam urges CM KCR to convene assembly session to reject farm bills. Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee TPCC President and Nalgonda MP N. Uttam Kumar Reddy demanded Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao to convene a special session of Legislative Assembly to pass an unanimous resolution against the 3 new anti-farmers laws introduced by the BJP government at the centre. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.